Hello viewers, I'm Dr. Suma. I'm a consultant working at 49 Fertility Center, Vijayawada. So there are a lot of women who have a problem of PCOD who keep approaching us for their fertility concerns. Usually women with PCOD have irregular cycles. They don't get their cycles for 45 days, 2 months, 3 months, and sometimes they don't get cycles unless they take some medication. So obviously when they have irregular cycles, they have problems with ovulation, and of course this is going to lead to infertility. So is there any way that these women can be helped to regain their fertility in a natural way? So of course there are a lot of lifestyle changes that are advised, and if a woman actually follows these simple tips, she can actually cure her PCOS on all by herself and still get pregnant naturally. First and foremost is regular exercise. So we advise all our PCO patients for regular moderate exercise of at least 45 minutes to 1 hour in a day, at least 5 days in a week. So definitely working out every day on a regular basis could be challenging, but start slowly and make it a habit to at least exercise 5 days in a week, and that will definitely change a lot of hormonal problems in the body. It can help her regularize her periods and even conceive naturally. So regular moderate exercise of 45 minutes to 1 hour is the first step. The second thing is to have a healthy diet. So a healthy balanced diet is extremely important, especially in women with PCOD. These women have a tendency to easily put on weight, so restricting their food is very important. So we ask them to restrict any consumption of direct sugar or refined sugar in the form of sugar directly, or cool drinks or sweets or chocolates or ice creams or anything that is sweet. The second thing is we ask them to restrict their oil consumption. The third thing is we ask them to restrict carbohydrates and increase their protein intake. And of course, eating fresh fruits, vegetables, some amount of dry fruits, and drinking a lot of water definitely helps in these women. So a healthy, balanced diet is the second tip that a woman with PCOS should follow in order to increase her chances of a natural pregnancy. The third thing is to do something to reduce her stress levels. So stress is an important factor which can aggravate the symptoms of PCOS. So eating on time, exercising regularly, and having a proper sleep is extremely important, which can also help to manage stress. There are other ways where a woman can find to beat her stress. It could be yoga, it could be meditation, it could be dance, it could be enjoying something or doing something that she really enjoys. So all of these will definitely reduce her stress levels, and handling stress is extremely important in managing PCOS. So these three important tips can help in modifying her lifestyle, help in correcting the hormonal imbalance, and help in improving her pregnancy outcomes. So the first is to exercise regularly, the second is to eat a healthy diet, and the third is to manage her stress levels and increase her sleep. So all of these put together can definitely make a lot of difference. If a woman loses even 5% of her body weight, it makes a huge difference. It can regularize her cycles and also help her conceive naturally. So PCOD doesn't mean that she will not be able to conceive. PCOD, the treatment is more or less in her hands, and if she follows a healthy lifestyle, she can conceive even if she doesn't consult a doctor. Thank you.